Time check, it's around 4:37 in the afternoon, and it's not that hot anymore, but I chose to go here in the lower hills here because the sun is still so strong even though it's already almost 5 in the afternoon. Okay, see that? The sun is still so strong. So right now, let us go some nature walk. So at least that we're currently using these Crocs. So I did not buy this. That was just given to me. So the nice thing about Crocs is that it sticks on dried grasses. But in here is I just wore some socks here because this kind of Crocs is that your skin gets wounded even just when you sweat just a little. So at least the socks is there so that it will catch when your body will release some toxins from the sweat. So yeah, sweating is also beneficial. So at least it will release toxins coming from your body. So okay, let's go now and take this stroll. Okay, bougainvillea flowers that I already vlogged about it, that it means with bougainvillea flowers connection, then also relation and relevance, these flowers. So okay, look at this dried grasses. So it's really nice to use this 100% rubber Crocs here. So with Crocs is that I'm just curious if it's really rubber or coming from the crocodile skin. But I think that this is more on rubber because if it's really crocodile skin, then I won't get wounded if I will sweat just a little when not wearing any socks. So I think this is rubber. This is made of rubber. Yeah, and also it has some cuts there, a cat's design because I'm a cat lover. The place is so peaceful and very beautiful. This is a very peaceful and beautiful place that we should be very thankful for those people who preserve this area and not turn this area into a commercial area or a residential area like people will build their houses here or build their businesses here. So at least that it's very beautiful that it's reserved like a celestial garden for already a very long time in this world. Like I wasn't even born at this time, 1951, as I research that this place came into existence in Cebu City 1951 or the year 1951. So it's really nice that it was preserved. So the next generation can see the wonders and beauty of this area. So I saw a nun earlier wearing a gray uniform. So that's why I paused for a while so that I don't have to edit the vlog, like to put a sticker. So I think that the nun sister is like having her stroll or nature stroll, and she has a rosary on her left hand. She was wearing the rosary on her left hand and a very big rosary like coming out of her pocket. Then her left hand is like holding it. So I think she walked so fast because I saw her already on the second station and I just paused for around 2 minutes while I was still talking about the Crocs slipper, or like a Crocs slipper half show that I was talking about earlier. So that took around 2 to 3 minutes. So she walked so fast that I saw her already on the second station of the cross. So becoming a nun, it's very strict because you really need to have a bachelor degree, 4 years in college. And I haven't finished mine before, but that doesn't bother me anymore right now. When especially I met the vlogging industry way back 2020. So before I was just watching them. So right now, I'm slowly making some vlogs of my own. So really, year 2020 inspired me a bit. 2020 to 2021 during the pandemic period, like especially the vloggers from the north part of the Philippines, like the Tagalogs. So if I haven't met vlogging, so I think that it would be very boring, like life would be very boring. Like at least vlogging is also a hobby. Even though you're not yet earning from it, it's really fun. So about the non-stuff and the pre-stuffs, like I learned about it, like it's very decent. Like you really need to be disciplined and you should really finish schooling. Even though I was still a high school student, like what I see on those religions, like it's schooling is a discipline both to the senders to the school and to the students' part. So that's why it's discipline. So that's why priests, nuns really need those qualifications. But I really can't say that everyone in school, like when your school is, it's really disciplined. It really depends. But what I can say, like that's just like a part of discipline. Unless for those people who are really poor, like the nomads that can't really afford schooling, and even those people that can't even afford the basic needs like food. So really, we can't really judge those kinds of people. So those are just my parts of my thoughts that I came out from my mind right now in this vlog. Look at this, so beautiful and peaceful. So that's why I think sister, the nun earlier, passed by here all by herself because it's really peaceful walking here alone. Yeah, I don't know what kind of community of sisters or nuns wearing a gray uniform because usually I see nuns with a uniform of either white or black. Like what kind of church is wearing those kinds of uniforms as nuns? Or in Bisaya or Tagalog, madre, the term madre. So translated to English to nun, the spelling of N-U-N. Look at this. A deep leaf. Lalong kinabangin, no? Yeah, last time I came here that there was a smoke. Yeah, a very big smoke there. Because there's only around 1 to 2 cleaners cleaning this area. And there's a lot of people who visited this area during the Holy Week. So that's why I think that they burned the trashes. So at least that it would be disposed faster or sooner. So at least those trees and grasses here had some more food coming from the smoke of the trashes there. So right now, there's no smoke. So in some vlogs in other nations or other countries like the Saudi Arabia, like about the jinn or genie, is like they are formed through smokeless fire. Like you will burn fire without any smoke. So you can make a wish there for a genie. So that would be creepy as I think because according to the vlog that genies are not all good. Some are bad. So what they pointed out with genes is they're neutrals. Just like humans. Humans are neutral. Some are bad and some are good. So for your opinion, yes, it's up to you to say if either humans really are, the majority of it are bad, or the majority of humans are good. So leave it in the comment below. Yeah, a wonderful station of the cross. Okay, no talking, so at least we can hear nature, like the birds chirping. And the crickets will sound in a bit around 6 p.m. or 5 in the afternoon. 6 p.m. in the evening or 5 in the afternoon. That those will sound, so at least we can hear nature without talking. Look at this. Like this way has some sort of connection, so I will try to go here. So it will be connected to the graveyards of people resting, or dead people resting's bodies there. So it has a connection. Because this cemetery is a cemetery for the rich. So this place is like a subdivision, like everything is connected. Like there is no dead end road or dead end street. So it's like a subdivision, like the energy is going round. Okay. So right now, let's see about it. Yep, it's connected. Okay, let's not go any further anymore because it's slippery. Let's go back there. So I'll just cut it off right now and go back to the video earlier.